In this video, I'll show you how to change the source of your Samsung Smart TV in case you want to switch from HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, your antenna, or other devices. So I'll show you how to do it with a remote control through the TV menu and also with a button located under your TV. So let's get started. So with your remote control, many of them are going to have a source button on the top right corner. If you have one of these, tap on it and you'll be able to select all your sources over here with the arrows. And by the way, if your Samsung TV does not display your source over here, let's say you don't see HDMI 1 or something else, it simply means that the TV has not detected the source since it's not connected properly, or maybe the device is not turned on. So check this first and then you should see it appearing over here. Another way to do it, if you do not have a remote control that looks like the one I have right here, is to click or press on this home button. All remote controls have a home button or a menu button. Then you should see this menu appearing. Press the left side arrows until you select source over here on the lower left side. Then go arrow up, and now we're at the same place we were before, where you can select your source. Now, if you do not have a remote control, what you can do is under your TV, you should have a button. Sometimes it's under the Samsung logo here. Mine is on the right side, but just check the left side if you don't find any. So you're going to press once on that button while the TV is turned on, and a special menu will appear on the screen. If you do not select anything, this special menu will disappear after 10 seconds. Now we need to select source, which is located over here. And how do you select? You simply press on this button. Do not keep it pressed. Press just a few times like this until source is highlighted. Then you need to keep press that button to select it, and it will shuffle through HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, and the other sources that are connected. In my case, I do not have any other source, so this is why it just stays on TV. But basically, this is it. By keeping the button pressed, you're able to switch from a source to another. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.